welcome back to the channel. It's nice and sunny today. I think 25 degrees. Just been laying some tarmac with the Pothole Pro and the Pothole Pro team down some nice tight country lanes. Hopefully you can hear me over the digger. Wouldn't matter to stand back. So yeah, everybody asked me what's it like down tight country lanes. There's nowhere I really found you couldn't get down. This one's not so tight, but the one down there is really tight. I think you look on my Instagram, I'll literally post up on there. So yeah, there's nowhere where you really can't get to. Banks, undulations, tight areas, tight country roads. I suppose this one is kind of tight. There's probably a lot tighter out there, but there's nowhere where the machine can't get. So I do get frequently asked questions of how easy it is to get in and out of areas. And you know, 26-ton trucks got down some really tight areas. So this four-wheel steer and then the 360 manoeuvrability of it, obviously, you know, it's far easier to get in and out than the big 26-ton trucks. So it does look good in the sunshine, doesn't it? It's a bit backwards, all that. So yeah, no, really, it's easily part next to a nice church, so it's easily manoeuvrable to get in there. So just lay about 70 square, so about 20-25 odd potholes in that patch. I should get more on the machine so you don't just see my dulcet tones. So yeah, this only took us about hour and a half to get out and then put back in. And then we're going to move on to the next one now. So hotbox fully loaded, about 13 ton she's got on. So we're going to find a 50 square 5-ton job on the way back in at 40 mil. And go and put that one in, but it's not a bad area to be doing some tarmacking in the old world. So yeah, I prefer the tight lanes in a nice country environment than the built up city ones. And yeah, there you go, short and sweet, but there we are. Really, you can get anywhere with the machine, and there's no limitations.